Hi, it's Jen from Shabby. These beautiful wool projects behind me are part of the Shabby Mat. It's a wool club designed right here at Shabby Fabrics. We actually started that a little bit earlier this year and the program sold out. It's been so popular, I wanted to do a video and just show you if you are interested in doing wool applique. We're starting a brand new round. You can sign up and reserve your spot today. That'll start in May of 2019. These are so fun. I had been working with cotton most of my sewing and kind of creating, crafting life, and was fairly recently introduced to wool, and I'm absolutely hooked. It's so fun and easy. In fact, at the end of this video, automatically you can click on a link at the very end and you'll be able to watch a full tutorial on just how easy it is to do wool applique, and specifically geared toward these projects. So how do you make those scallops just smooth and beautiful? How do you put together the beautiful wool applique so it looks just like we're seeing here displayed on all of these mats? Now, of course, with any applique, there's two types of things you'll be doing with thread. It's appliquing that down to the background. That's what's included here. This is from the Sulky. We love our partners there at Sulky. They've made 12-weight cotton thread in just an array of beautiful colors. We've put those together in a beautiful carrying case. You get that. That's all included. And everything you'll need in the program is in here. Now, we also have some embroidery that is on certain ones of the club as well. Here's one for January where we have some beautiful sparkly thread. This is the entire array of what we would call embroidery or embellishing thread. That would be a separate thread set that's also available for if you would like to purchase that. And you'll be having the exact same embroidery threads that we used all throughout all 12 projects. I just wanted to show you what you'll be getting in your kit. Of course, each has its very own pattern. And as always, we include for you reverse refusible applique, so you don't have to have a mirror or, you have to kind of flip it over. We have both reverse refusible applique as well as full-size layout diagrams. Each piece is numbered, so you don't have to guess which piece will be going down first. So we go to great lengths to make sure that our patterns help you achieve the success that we know that you can when you're purchasing the kits. Here's wool for both the top. These also have wool on the back. And of course, all of the beautiful wool is included with each kit. We had an absolute blast, not only designing them, but of course, making them. So I know you're gonna love this club. Maybe you're new to wool. This would be a fantastic one to just jump in. And again, if this is new to you, I encourage you to watch the video at the end of this one. There'll be one display. Just click on that. There should also be a link on the description box below where you can click that and watch the full-length video. So thank you for letting me show you our Shabby Mats. We know you're going to love it, and I'll see you next time.